Shut up. So I've upgraded to the hat. It just wouldn't be a hike without the hat, you know what I mean? Still waiting for the guests to arrive. And I forgot my AirPods. So I'm just watching, I'm just train spotting. Shut up! So I'm just train spotting now. I'm hoping he arrives soon, like, because I mean the train's not for another 40 minutes, but I'm a bit lonely, so.
Oh, you can't go that way, mate. Hello.
Oh, you okay, mate?
You alright?
We're on the plane. We had one line. Oh, we're on the train. On the bus. Just get out. Oh, get. Okay. Time lapse time. So whilst this time lapse is going on, guess it would be a good time to hit that subscribe button. Probably leave a like on the video. Do it now. I don't really know what to say. Apart from,
What's the time, Bailey?
the time is 8:15 and we need to be there at 8:30. So I'm hoping.
Where are we? Oh.
Right now, we are in Carnforth. Just do it, oh nice. Other train should be here soon. Oh, it's there.
What, did we just go across here?
Yeah.
So,
I think
it's starting to breathe.
Oh my god, it's chucking it down there. Go, quick. Get to that train, man.
Oh, here we go. Look at that quick transport, mate. Easy. Easy. Yeah. But now I got this one. If we do another one of them, it'll match it. Look. You know, look at that. Train to train. Easy.
Help is hot though, dude.
Mate, we just made that. Shout out to AJ who couldn't be here today because he died.
I know we didn't. Wait, what happened to him? Did he have
Did he what?
Did he have ligaments?
He had ligament.
Nah, I'm actually so sorry.
That's fine, bro.
No, what's that? No.
What's what? Oh, yeah, honestly, just speak to the camera.
Nah. Can I just speak my mind for a second?
Yeah.
So, recently I've actually
Literally just made the bus as soon as we got on. It's here. Get in. I just need the rain to stop now.
Sleepy boy.
Come on, Helvellyn. Come on. Got all the NPCs of the Lake District. All on this bus. And we got Sleepy Paddy. By the way, this is Paddy. I don't know if I told you. AJ isn't here. I don't know if I told you that either. But this is mine and AJ's channel, so get used to it. Yeah, just a replacement for now. I don't really like him, so we're off the bus now. That is Helvellyn behind us. Place fell over there, which I've done previously. And yeah, I'll see you at the start of the hike. Okey-dokey. I'd say we're at the start of the trail, would you? We're halfway up, to be honest. Halfway up. And I think this is the bit where we decide left or right. Path to Helvellyn campsite. I guess we're going this way then. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, we've just crossed this bridge. And it is beautiful, to be honest with you. Already, it is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just gonna go explore what this is. Already getting sidetracked, literally just started the hike. Oh yeah, it is sludgy, isn't it? What, like a waterfall or something. What are we saying? What is it? Just a little little bit of a
Cove.
what's that metal pole?
I'm guessing it's a path that goes round. I'm guessing that's a path on top.
Maybe.
I'm guessing that's where we have to go, to be fair.
Well, I'm just gonna follow the path.
Good evening. First gate of the day. Let's just review it. Let's see what it's about. So, look at that. Looks new. Fence is nice. Whack it open like that.
That is beautiful.
Spring on that.
Obviously,
shut it.
don't forget to shut it. You know, respect,
Oh, wow, the
respect,
sound.
respect the farm
The
owners.
sound is fantastic.
Wait, could we have literally just... Oh, there's people.
Well, we just came this way. I'm guessing it's up.
It's got to be up, hasn't it?
It's wrong.
Okay, I'm getting my map back.
I'm gonna pass out, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm unfit. How many yum yums did I have? 2. 2 sausage rolls.
2 yum yums. Or was it just one?
No, 2 yum yums.
2 yum yums.
2 sausage rolls. Some digestives.
And no water.
No, I had water.
Oh, tiniest bit then.
No.
See fellow hikers. I don't like it. You know, sometimes in the life maybe I'm a bit too competitive. Go on, Paddy. Cold. Get a screen grab from that, you look sick.
Sheep.
Beautiful view behind you. Anything to say about that view?
Wow, just look at the view. Look at nature for you. Just take a little panoramic.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Wow. You got some wildlife in front of you as well. But wow, it's beautiful, honestly.
Honestly.
Bring it down.
No.
Oh,
Decent. Oh. Oh, maybe we should move off the
Yep.
terrain. You know, get a bit higher up. That's what we came for. Not going home till we reach the top, by the way.
What?
Not going home till we reach the top. Go for it, mate. Alright, go on. Why are you not here?
Well, I had a driving lesson at 8 AM, right?
Yeah.
I woke up at 8, thinking the driving lesson was at 9.
Right.
I went in the shower, you know, scrubbing my bits.
A few minutes later.
And when I got out, I had like 10 missed calls. And I rang him back and he goes, I'm here. I go, okay, I'm coming out.
3 days later.
That's why I'm not here.
Right.
And I've got work.
This is Paddy, by the way.
Paddy,
you okay, mate?
how's it going?
Mate.
It's going
Hate
good.
this guy.
The weather's actually
Just
nice.
so you know, Paddy, you're the replacement me.
I don't know if you can hear me or not because of the wind, but it's getting very windy, so I'll probably won't record now until we get to Striding Edge, because well, I'll try to save battery for a start, and there's not really much to record. Got all that way to go. Can't see because of the clouds. And then we're on the flats, I think, and then Striding Edge. Here comes Paddy, but I'm going to put you on here and capture it all from my POV. Should be good footage, hopefully. But yeah, we'll just have to see when we get there, because we're going into clouds now. Probably have to put my beanie on as well, because my ears are cold. Right, Paddy.
Genuine question, mate. Genuine question.
Give them a little update where we are. Carry on walking. Where are we?
In the Lake District.
Just grow up. About halfway, I'd say.
Yes!
It's very busy, to be honest with you.
Yay!
Probably don't look great right now, but yeah. Oh, cut to me at Striding Edge.
Catch my breath and hold it for me. I'm wasting my time trying to make up my mind. Well, I'm sitting here as the chandelier is whispering in my ear, saying, can I get a cigarette? I know you'll never be mine. Can you come around tonight and sing me a lullaby? like you. Well, take this pen and write for me. Oh, write me a song, and I'll try to forget it. Oh, standing there as the man upstairs comes crashing through the ceiling, saying, "Where's my fucking cigarette?" With fire in his eyes. Can you come around tonight and sing me a lullaby? Just take my heart and break it. Can you come around tonight? I might be the enemy, but nothing quite hits like you. And as all my patience starts to dry, and my feet leave skids across the sand, I'll know that you won, and I'll run back to where I came from.
Excuse me, mate. Just take it. Sure thing. Yes. Thank you. Paddy. Lovely stuff.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Gorgeous. What does it say about this view?
One word. Spectacular.
Great to hear. Yeah. Shut up. So that over there is Place Fell.
Can I just ask the camera?
1 minute. That's Helvellyn. We're on the way down now. And there we have it, full looped. We went up that way, just come down that way.
So when I took this picture,
Yeah.
it was 10 o'clock.
And
It's
it is
now
4 o'clock. But we've done it. We've done it. Time for food. Time for food.
The heart.
Got some chippy chips.
What?
You know, shout out to Humes Catering Services. Yeah, maybe don't shout them out. So
You're watching this? Overpressed.
go on, give my food review. It looks boiling hot. Put you in there.
Oh, that's pretty cute. Thank you.
Mine says no, they're alright. Not £6 worthy for you though. £3 worthy though.
I don't know why I've got a large apple.
Hot.
I thought it'd be like a 50p.
Why did you get that?
Because you know I'm a big boy.
True. So this is where Gray was, so we found Gray right there. Good times.
I'm not.
Just waiting for the bus now. Chips are alright. Not even chippy chips. Why do I look so white? I know I'm white anyway, but the bus should be in like 5 minutes. And if we get this bus, it'll be quite a smooth day. Quite cold, but
Although you could have done more. So nice.
See ya.
Could this be done? You're such a sweet.
Hey, stop, you're gonna get me copyrighted, mate.
Good evening, my friends. Paddy here. We're currently on the way back because. Sorry, just Sophia's behind us, the fat. Talking. No, it is me. Go on. What was your thoughts on the little hiker room?
I thought it was really good. Definitely, mate, you're invited again.
Am I?
If you want.
Yeah. How do you think I did?
Yeah, you did alright, yeah, you did really well. Apart from a bit slow.
What do you mean a bit slow?
Just a little bit slow.
What bits?
For some reason, going down. We're quite slow going down.
No, because yeah, I wanted to stay up there. I wanted to climb more.
I respect that. You're all about that life.
Yeah, I wanted to climb a lot more. They do call me Paddy Hike.
No one calls you.
A lot of people call me that actually. I think a lot of people call me that. Right. Well, you're not going to ask me how my fire's doing it.
No. No one cares about you.
Chocolate tiffy. You got a zoom in on that. That is really nice. Honestly, I'd probably travel all the way to Helvellyn just for that.
Really? Can I have a bit?
No, you cannot.
No, I can. No, I can.
No, I can't.
No.
There you go.
Right. Pretty much it, innit, really?
Yeah, we'll be back next week.
Will we balls?
Everest.
I mean, yeah, we will. Everest and Kilimanjaro.
We're going to do Everest, then K2, then Manjaros.
It's just how we do it, but
Because you know, look at me. Look at the way that I climb that mountain.
well, yeah,
Oh.
that's it though, innit? Look, I'm gonna say goodbyes because you might never be on this channel again. Why? Because you'll be invited, but I don't feel cool.
Like, let's go to Greg's, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go past.
Looks like you need to go to the grocery store.
Anyway,
Anyway, boys, it's been a pleasure. Honestly, it's been a pleasure. Is my moaning went on?
did you have a good time?
I did have a good time.
Great to hear. That's what we like.
When I was moaning, it was just getting to the top. But when you got to the top, it was worth it. All that moaning, not worth it. You know what I mean? But when you get to the peak, when you get to the top of everything, that is what really worth it. And when you're spending time with your friends, it's not about the journey. It's about the people that you
What a
meet
speech,
along the way.
What a speech. Honestly. Probably the end of the video now, so see you later.
Oh yeah, Daddy.